Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, stability control, roll stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.